Guys, look what just showed up on my doorstep. This is something pretty exciting for me, so I'm going to try to do this one-handed. I'm actually doing this with my mobile phone. I've really done this before. So let's see if I can do this here and not cut my finger in the process. All right. Let's get the other ones. Pretty excited about this. It's always good to see something you have thought about come to fruition. So the question is, can I get it opened to fruition? Let's cut the sides here off. Probably not such a good idea with a one-handed deal here, but check this out. Unboxing of Bluegrass Guitarpeggios. Check that out. Isn't that sweet? Yes, it is. It is very sweet. So, this is not the DVD. This is the USB. So, I thought I heard it rattling around in here, but maybe not. So, let's get rid of this. Open this bad boy up and see about what's going on here. Wish I had a way to stand this up. I don't really have a stand. Apologize for that. I don't really do this that often. Going to have another unboxing for you guys very, very soon. A couple unboxings, actually. So, let's see if I can get all this off here now. All right, that is done. Let's check it out. Ta-da! There it is. This will be available very soon. I've got to test this out, and as soon as I do, it will be available. So definitely check out bluegrassguitaressentials.com/arpeggios to get your hands on the USB version of Bluegrass Guitarpeggios. Thanks so much for watching. I got to get off here and get some more work done.